So in my last video you saw me put up my super low budget faux Christmas tree, and in this video I'm gonna decorate it. I'm Hester and welcome back to Handmade Home. And we're gonna decorate it with lots and lots of ribbons! I was tidying up my workroom the other day and I realized my ribbon box is completely overflowing. There's this all different kinds of width, texture, color, and anything that's in here is gonna go on the tree. So we're not gonna have a specific color theme, just whatever I have already in the house, whatever is in my ribbon box is gonna turn into a beautiful bow onto our Christmas tree. That is so much ribbon. I especially love these skeins of ribbons. I can buy these in my local haberdashery, it's dead stock, for so cheap. I think it's £1 for one of these, and that's 10 meters of ribbon. Hence me having so much. So for a medium width ribbon, I think the perfect length is around 75 centimeters. For a smaller ribbon, you could go a little bit shorter, and for a really wide ribbon, you go a lot longer. So what we're gonna do, gonna pop it around your branch, sort of in the middle. You make 2 loops, and then you're just gonna knot these 2 together. Pop it out, put that one over, like so. Just gonna tweak it until you have a nice bow. Open up the little ears, and then you want to cut this into a little point. So you're gonna fold this double, and you cut. One bow done, a lot more to go. Somebody want to get involved.
Are you helping, Kermit? Are you?
Got a few more bows, and I just sat down because, well, a little bit easy on the ankle. Kermit the dog desperately trying to help, and I thought I was going to show you one more time how I do a ribbon with this beautiful pink one. So find the middle of your ribbon, then make 2 big loops, tie them around your branch, push that through, and it goes over, and then you're going to tweak. So you're going to pull it, take it apart a little bit, pull it again, open up those bunny ears, put a double, and then you cut from the middle to the outer edge. There we go. And the same on the other side. So I've done most of the front of the tree, just need to do the back, but I think I might need to give my ankle a little rest, so I'll do that tomorrow and I'm going to show you the result then. I really like how the tree turned out. It's very kitsch, very 70s, and it fits perfectly in our interior. And did you see the skirt I used, the tree skirt? It's actually a cape of my daughter, a sequined cape, but I think it fits really well with the bows. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and have a look at all the other videos I have here on the Handmade Home channel. There are Christmas decorations, homemade gifts and tutorials for bigger builds for your home too. Subscribe not to miss out on any of my future uploads, and I really hope to see you back again soon.